So we recently got ourselves a Gravastar Mercury V75 gaming keyboard. And what better way to test a new keyboard than to ask our PriceShop team members to give the keyboard a try.
Hi.
And this is what we managed to get with our own typing speeds and skills. And by the end of it, we all got our results, with Joshua getting 38 words per minute, Alia with 44 words per minute, Timothy with 95 words per minute, and Ayman with 109 words per minute. What do you think about the keyboard?
Very cool. I think this is the most fancy keyboard I ever typed on in my life. I'm too used to the keyboard that comes with any laptop.
It feels better than it looks, I feel, and I love the little top right notch that allows you to control the volume button. Typing wise, I think this is one of the most favourite keyboards I have.
So overall best guna keyboard ni sebab dia ada macam bounce sikit. So sebelum ni tak pernah guna gaming punya keyboard, biasa guna yang untuk buat kerja je. Tapi overall best lah.
This keyboard has been one of the more comfortable ones I've used. I do like the sound profile, it's more on the thockier side, and I do like the customizability in the sense where you can easily switch out the keycaps, you can easily switch out the switches even, and the keycaps are transparent by default, so you can see more of the lights better. And it's not really a surprise that I won today because I am the best. No matter what you do, no matter where you are, I am the best. All gas, no breaks, all day, every day. Yeah!
We gave him a virtual trophy.